If we want to run a query of students with a particular keyword in their names, just like we have Johnson, Anderson, and also Jackson, we can run a query to match all the student names that have a particular keyword in their names. So to do that, let's go back to our MySQL workbench and type the following command: select from students where student names like SON. Then we input the keyword in between the two percentage signs and run our query. This is going to give us all the students with a particular keyword in their name. In this case, SON is a keyword. What if I want to run a query of all the students whose names start with letter A? All I have to do is just to simply go here, delete this, and input A. This means that we are running a query of all the students' names that start with letter A. Then I can run this command. It's going to show me just one student because we have only one student matching the following query.